blah blah. Hey, what's up guys, Barky74. Welcome to Tram Tales, the second season. Now for this video, we are in Vienna on the Vienna train. We're just going places. I don't want to talk much right now because of stuff. Yeah. This is... We were just shopping and we're going, but we're going on tram number 798. Tram number 798. Heading. But it has a weird number. It's not even a number. It's a letter D, as it. So yeah, it's pretty much what's going on. And there are many Bila stores around. But Vienna is a pretty cool place. It has lots of trains. It has many trains. And yeah. That's pretty much the end of the video. It's highly crappy. But yeah, sorry. But so yeah guys, we'll talk for this video. Just like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And bye.